Step 1. Frame installation. Use corner code for the 45-deg assembly of the door frame. To ensure proper installation of the window or door, accurately measure its dimensions. Then use a spirit level to check the levelness of the wall, ensuring a secure, level, and vertical installation. Step 2. Secure the door frame. In accordance with the pre-drilled holes on the door panel, secure it by inserting self-tapping screws. Begin by securing the upper part of the window or door, then the left and right sides. Finally, secure the lower part, ensuring vertical alignment and balance on both sides. Step 3. Install the door panel. Before installing the door sashes, determine the left and right directions according to the design specifications. Secure the door panel with countersunk screws. The adjustment screw can be used to adjust the left and right clearances of the door panel. The second door needs to have the upper and lower pulleys installed. When inserting the door leaf into the door frame, it needs to be tilted at a certain angle to fit in. The second door has a pre-drilled handle hole, and it needs to be positioned to face the interior to prevent incorrect installation. The third one has a pre-drilled lock hole, and the lock body needs to be inserted with the lock facing the hole. Finally, install the door stopper. Step 4. Inspect the door panel. After installing the door sash, ensure the pulleys are properly aligned so the sash is level plumb and glides smoothly for flawless operation. If closure issues arise, corrective adjustments involve modifying hinge points or calibrating spacing with the bottom pulleys.